Hey guys, what's up? It's T here. Today I'm starting a new series where I show you a redstone contraption and then I show you how to build it. So this first one is just a flush trapdoor. Flip the lever, it opens and closes, and you don't know it's there except for the lever. Obviously, if you were to build this as for a secret base, you'd put some sort of better way to activate it. But yeah, you can flip the lever as much as you want. Yeah, so let's get started. So you will need some resources, so to get started, I'd recommend a pickaxe, just in case you mess up. So you need 6 sticky pistons, 4 redstone repeaters, 8 blocks of your choice, any block, 1 lever, and 8 pieces of redstone dust. Now the lever is just to activate it, so theoretically you could use anything for that. So to get started, you just need to place 4 pistons like this. This is going to be the base. Then you want 2 pistons like this. So you should have 4 pistons that'll push out, and these 2 will push up. Next, you want your blocks here. These are just your blocks that are for the floor. So put them as the same blocks from the floor. You could leave it empty, and then it'll auto-grab it when you, use it, but I'd recommend just putting them now. Next, you want 2 blocks off to the side like this. This will be part of your tube, but also it'll power these 2 pistons. Next, you just want 4 blocks like this, with repeaters going into them, set to 3 ticks. So, you click it, right-click it twice. Then you want repeaters going into these blocks, then redstone dust going like that. Now, I would like to mention, you can just cut this in half. You can build just half and only have a 1 block wide trapdoor. But, I'd recommend making it 2 wide just because it's a little more nicer. So then you want to build your tube up. This isn't necessary, but it is nice as it's where your floor is and tube. So this is your floor, and you can just slap your lever anywhere. Honestly, it doesn't particularly matter. Let's break this so I can actually get up here. You flip the lever, it closes, and then you flip it again, and it opens. Simple, works good, yeah. So, you can also build 2 of these. So, if you want to take and put a second one next to it, you can do that. You can, remove your tube and then just throw, more pistons, like, here, and build the same thing, just mirrored. And it ends up looking quite nice. Honestly, I'd recommend doing this if you have the space in your build. It's simple, exact same. You just build it, you run redstone into it. Obviously, if you're doing this, you would want to connect these up somehow. Like that works, and then you put your blocks in, and you have a nice floor that has a hidden trapdoor. So yeah, that's how you build a hidden trapdoor, and then you can drop down this tube to wherever you want, to your secret base or whatever. So yeah, that's how you build it. Bye.